Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can delete a video or a picture in the picture gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe up to go into the app screen and open up the picture gallery. Next, in the picture gallery, you can tap on pictures or albums, and we're going to go into pictures, and from the pictures in here you can select a picture, so touch and hold and select a picture, and then down here you can tap on the delete button, then tap on move to trash or delete. Now it will be the same for videos. If you have a video that you want to remove, you can just simply touch and hold on a video and then tap on the delete button and then tap on move to trash. You can also open up the picture, and then at the bottom here there is a trash can. You can tap on that to delete the photo or video as well. And that's it. If you accidentally delete a photos that you want to keep, then you can tap on the menu key, tap on trash, and in trash you can touch and hold on the photos or videos that you want to restore. So you can select one or multiple photos that you want to restore, and then tap on the restore button, and this will allow you to restore any photos or videos that you have accidentally deleted. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.